Okay, this is the tutorial on how to download a Visual Studio Code, and this is the software that you're going to be using to edit your code, to write your code, to develop your websites and web applications. So there are a lot of code editors. We have Visual Studio Code, we have Sublime Text, we have Atom, but I really prefer using Visual Studio Code because of the way it works, because of the functionality it has, a lot of plugins, etc. That's why I love it. So I would like to show you how to download that software. So you can go to your preferred browser. Now I'm using Google Chrome. So you can go to this search bar, then you can type this code, then you see a variety of options, then you click here, then you get the results, then you go to this link, right? Then wait for it to redirect you to the Visual Studio Code website. Then now I've been redirected. So now what I'm going to be doing is especially when you reach to this particular page, so now you can download, right, according to the operating system you're using. I use Windows, so I go for this particular button, right, or particular link, and this is for Mac and other operating systems. So you have to choose the operating system that you are using. So me, I use actually Windows. So I'm not going to be clicking this link. Why? Because I've downloaded this software already. I have it. So if you don't have it, please do go ahead and do whatever I've taught you, then download that. If you download this, if you click this, it starts downloading the executable file. Then when it's done, then you just open it, then you follow the instructions, then the software gets installed in your system, which is easy and straightforward. So this is how you download Google Chrome as a browser, and I really recommend this browser. Why? Because it's so powerful and is used by many programmers or developers. So I really recommend this browser. So what you do, you have to just type Chrome. Then you press enter, then you go to this particular link, then you click it, it redirects us to this particular page, right? Then you click download, then you download it, you go to the file that has been downloaded, then you click this file, the setup, the executable file, and if you click this, then Google Chrome starts downloading to get installed. So that's how you can install this particular web browser, which is easy and straightforward.